Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can withdraw money from Cryptoguru. Now, it's really easy and simple. So first things first, what you're going to be doing, guys, is you want to, of course, log in into your Cryptoguru account using the app or website, okay? You want to make sure you've completed all the necessary account verifications before you actually proceed, okay? Now, once you're logged in, what I want you to do is I want you to head over to the wallet or funds section, and here you will see an overview of your available balance. Now next, guys, what I need you to do is I need to select the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you actually wish to withdraw. You just want to tap on withdraw, and then you want to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, now, so for cryptocurrency withdrawals, what I need you to do is I need you to input the recipient's wallet address very carefully, guys, ensuring there are no errors, because if you make a mistake here, this is irreversible. The money will be lost forever, okay? So for fiat withdrawals, what I need you to do is I need you to choose your linked bank account or payment method, okay? And of course, after entering the details, guys, you want to double check everything and you want to click confirm. And depending on the platform, you might need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. And once done, guys, okay, Cryptoguru will actually process your request. And withdrawals typically take a few minutes for crypto and up to a few business days for fiat transfers. And that's it, guys. Your withdrawal request is on its way. And if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.